Hi again, YouTube family. Thank you so much for tuning in and watching today's video. And like and subscribe if you so you can get notified whenever I upload informational videos for you. Okay, and you can also comment down below if there's anything you would like to comment in regards to this video that I'm going to be showing for you today. And in today's video, as the title says, I bought an iPad Pro 12.9 inch, and I did get the magic white keyboard as well to go along with it. I did buy it for my business, and why not, right? So just to upgrade my current iPad Pro 12.9, it's the same iPad that I bought. I do love it so far. For those of you who have the iPad Pro previously, I believe you guys agree, right? That the iPad Pro, I think it's how do you say it? It's very portable, and it's just looks cool, right? With the floating magic keyboard. And here's the old one that I have currently, and I might do a separate update on it. But as you can see, it's all worn out already, and pretty much I've used it most of the time, as I do need to have to be on the laptop mostly every day for the business. And I do have another laptop that I use, which is the MacBook Air as well. How cute is my cover, right? Yes, so I just couldn't work with just one screen anymore. So yeah, let me just quickly show you guys the iPad Pro that I bought. I just got it today actually, and I thought I'll show it to you guys. Okay, so this is my current office situation, and yeah, so let me just quickly show you. That's the receipt, and the guy in the Apple shop said I can claim it on the GST because I'm flying abroad. I'm flying overseas actually next week. So yeah, how nice of him, right? And I didn't know about that, by the way. And so I did get the silver 256 gigabyte iPad Pro. As I said, it's the 12.9 inch that I've got, and this is the magic keyboard. And I love it with the Apple product these days. It's just easier to open. You don't really need a knife to actually open it, which is good. So let me just quickly put it here. And you guys, I did choose the white one this time because I watch a lot of YouTube actually as to what sort of color would I get. And guess what? A lot of the YouTubers convinced me to get a white one because apparently, although it's white, it doesn't really get too dirty. So that's what I like about it. But we'll see how it goes. Okay, I'm gonna update you 1 year later after using this, and I do use it a lot. My iPad Pro. Okay, pretty much every single day I use it. I don't think I can live without it because it's just that good. Okay, so it does comes with paperwork inside, and there's nothing else. And now we have the iPad Pro itself. As I said, 12.9. I did get the silver one, and surprisingly, it doesn't have a plastic on it. Okay, so you just have to. It's just a box, pretty much. And yep. So let's open it. So there's one here that I pulled just then, and another one here. And There it is, guys. So there you go. I finally got a new one, upgraded. I don't know the difference, guys, to be honest. It's just that it's time to upgrade, that's all. For the business, and I'm sure, you know, I'm gonna get a lot of use to this iPad Pro like I did with my previous one, the black one. And nothing really much, you know, different to the previous one, but I'm very happy that I finally got an upgrade. And I'm gonna update you guys if there's, you know, with the especially with the white one. I do love it, guys. Actually, it does it's matching well with the silver one. So if ever you guys gonna get the white magic keyboard, make sure that, I think with the silver one, it matches it pretty well aesthetically anyway. So yeah, so I'm gonna set it up, you know, make good use of it, and definitely I will update you guys how the keyboard will go well for me. I'll be honest with you, I don't really take care too much of my my things. That's what my husband says anyway, but I think with this one, it's brand new, I'm going to be really careful with it, given the experience that I have with the black one. So usually it does get a bit you know, dirty, or it gets a bit this area of it. These are the ones that I noticed with my previous iPad that has a lot of wear and tear in it, especially the sides. So I guess I'll just have to be careful, you know, where I place it. And there you go, guys. I'm very happy and very excited to use it. Actually, not that there's a lot of difference with my previous one, but yeah. So hopefully you guys like it. Thank you for tuning in for the rest of the video, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.